Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard in your Motorola Moto S7 Plus, let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We have to get this app. It's from the ASIC Studio. And now we can open. Here we have to click enable, tap on the switcher, then click OK 2 times. Simply go back and click select, and of course we have to switch to our LED keyboard from the Gboard. And right now we are in the application, so we can pick up our favorite theme, and I'm going to show you my favorite. Oh, there's the light up, there's new theme, so let's check it. Okay, I don't think it looks cool, so I'm going for my favorite, unlimited. As you can see here it is. So if you pick up your favorite theme, you have to click to save the keyboard. And after that we can close everything and our background apps and just simply go, for example, for the messages and just check how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.